Hi Elixers! What's cooking? Are you ready to dive into Chapter 5, huh? Okay then, let's learn the CSS box model by building a Rothko painting. If you ask what's a box model, then they say that every HTML element is its own box, with its own spacing and a border, and it's called box model. We're gonna be creating our own Rothko-style rectangular art pieces. Let's start coding. So this is Rothko painting, huh? Looks like modern art which has literally no meaning. But anyway, let's create a bunch of red boxes together. Even boring things can be fun when you do it together. Step 1. They believe we got no problem with the starters. So let's make them proud by setting up our doc type declaration and adding HTML head and body element. Step 2. Within the head element, let's add meta tag, which sets the character set to UTF-8 and a title of Rothko painting. Within the body element, let's add the image with the link provided. Looks they trying to teach us something. Step 3. Okay, in CSS box model, every element is treated as a box with 4 areas. Got it. Now change the image link to another link provided. Step 4. The content's surrounded by a space called padding. It's similar to how bubble wrap separates an item from the box around it. Then the border is like the cardboard box your item was shipped in. Okay, let's change our image again with the given link. Step 5. Margin is the area outside the box and can be used to control the space between other boxes or elements. They hope we understand CSS box model. Yes, we do. So let's remove our image element because we learned enough. Step 6. Let's start our project by adding a division element in the body. We also gotta set its class to canvas. Step 7. First things first. Before we start styling in our CSS, we gotta link our CSS file to our HTML, so let's do that first. Step 8. Let's start styling our canvas class by setting its width to 500 pixels. Step 9. Add height to canvas class with the value set to 600 pixels. Step 10. Add background color to canvas class with the value set to #4D0F00, which is somewhat dark reddish brown color or maybe maroon. I don't know. You tell me. Okay folks, that was all for today. Hope you guys share, comment on my videos. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you all consistent learners in the next one. See ya!